Hello, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can use the Microsoft Office tools like Excel, Word, PowerPoint for free. Heads up, this is not a cracked version, so it's totally safe. Alright, let's start. First, you need to go to your browser, then search for Office tool, Office deployment tool, then click the first link. Then after that, download the tool. Then the second one is the customization tool. Then click the first one, the Apps Admin Center. Then from here, from Office Suites, we're gonna choose the Office LTSC Professional Plus 2024. Then we're gonna remove or untick the OneDrive desktop. Then we're gonna hit next. Then we're gonna select a language. For me, I'm gonna choose English, United States. Next, next again. Just hit next again. Next, next. All right, looks good. Then we're gonna hit finish. Then after that, we're gonna click export. Then from here, we're gonna choose the Office Open XML formats. Since we're gonna use the XML type, and hit OK. Then accept the agreement first. Then we're gonna rename it as Office 2024. Then hit export. All right. After that, go to your download folder. This one. Then cut these two files that you downloaded before. Then go to your desktop and create a folder that name Office. Then paste all the files here. Then we're gonna extract the files from the Office deployment tool. Hit yes and accept. Continue. Then from here, we're gonna look for the folder that we created. Desktop. Then Office. Click hit OK and OK. Okay, this is some of the files that was extracted from this installer. But we don't need this one. We can delete it. And uh, and we also don't need this anymore. Then after that, we need to open our command prompt and you need to run it as administrator. Then we need to go to this path, to this folder that we are created. So we're gonna copy the path here, the address bar. Then type cd, cd means change directory. Then paste the path here. Then hit enter. And from here, type setup.exe. Then configure. Then after that, we need the configure is the XML file, which is the Office 2024.xml. So Office 2024.xml. Then hit enter. Then the Office is now starting to download. We're just gonna wait for a while. Just gonna fast forward this so that you guys will not going to wait anymore. All right, just like that, you have now a Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Let me show you now. Word. Okay, we're gonna create a blank document. See, as you can see, I can type, I can print. Let's try the PowerPoint. Don't save. PowerPoint. All right, let's create a blank presentation. As you can see, also I can type, I can create slides. All right, that's it for today. Thank you for watching, guys, and enjoy your Microsoft Office. Bye bye. Thank you.